But you always outshine me.
Whatever. All jokes aside, though. All jokes aside, I used to be a kleptomaniac.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can go ahead.
But it's okay. I'm better now. I took something for it.
Hiya! Did you hear about the kidnapping at the school? Don't worry, he's awake now.
They woke him up.
Yeah, don't worry. This one is a little questionable.
Yeah.
I heard this one today. It made me die. It said, my friend 10 years ago today came running out and said, "It's a boy, it's a boy." I am never going to Thailand again. All right, so our next trivia question. Make sure to pick up Ultra Beets. Put that in your cart. Ultra Beets are great for you. I didn't know I'd love Ultra Beets. This is an apple and cherry flavor, delicious. Our next trivia question is, what NBA player scored a record 16 3-pointers at the All-Star game this weekend?
Oh!
This weekend. I made you watch some of those too.
He was amazing.
He was dope. He was hitting them from half court, turn around, walk away.
He was like turning around and was like, did it go in? Did it go in?
Did it go in? He was playing to the audience.
He was great.
Scored 50 points.
He was great.
One of my favorite players.
Yeah.
I hate LeBron. Giannis is fun. This character is great.
He's great. His wife's great too because she cooks a lot and she has a lot of like cookbooks and she's very fun on Instagram.
She, whose name is it Rihanna's her first name? Aisha. She's well known. Was she not well known before she married him?
I don't think so.
Okay. She was on Family Feud with him doing the lightning round. That gave me the idea to do Family Feud today, which we'll do later.
Yeah.
She scored 196 out of 200 points on the lightning round, so he only had to get 4 points.